Happy Vlogmas 2020!
It's December 2020. Thank you so much for joining us for our Vlogmas adventure. Good morning, hello, welcome to Friday the 4th of December 2020. It's a happy morning time. We're all up and dressed. We've had trouble over lockdown, I guess, getting out of bed in the morning. But for December, we're all down here every morning. That's the plan, Monday to Friday anyway. So yay for us. Dad's at work already, so we're going to have a dance today quite early. We've decided that for December we'll try during the week to get our dances done early in the morning because I'll be editing vlog footage as well. It's too much editing at night if I wait until night time to do it all. So dances are going to be earlier in the day, so you might see tired little Wee Clan Torrance in the morning, and that's okay. We're getting practice at getting up early again. And last night, and it doesn't help that through the night we were up with Gemma's diabetes, but last night at 5 o'clock I got up to check Gemma's blood sugar levels and I caught this piece of footage. Watch this. How cool is that? That was thunder and lightning here, and yes, what an amazing amount of snow fell through the night. Unfortunately it's been raining this morning and a lot of the snow's melted out the back, but there's still a lot of snow left. Hopefully Bruce made it to work okay. We're up very high here, our elevations.
Wait, after we dance, I'm
yeah,
gonna do like probably after 100.
Probably.
I'm going to go outside in my rain jacket and I'm playing the snow and boots and bugs.
That's probably a good idea to get all wrapped up to go out there because it's going to be mighty cold.
Now we got it to my face. Okay.
Happy Friday!
Yeah.
It's time for our Happy Friday dance in December. It's December the 4th.
Let's go.
I got it be able to dance.
Let it snow.
Because my hat fell out.
And I'm done.
Look at me.
Well, there we go. That's today's dance done for the day. We could dance all day, I'm sure, but yes, we have lots of things to do.
But that means it's time for the lovely.
Oh, the kids want to do some advent before we get to chores, do they?
Yeah.
I can understand that. Who wants to go and do the dishes and laundry? Alright, let's flip the camera around for them.
4, 5,
Mm.
5,
Nope.
4.
It's day 4. Our little Christmas tree has 3 baubles on it. We're looking for day 4 today. I'm enjoying these new advent calendars.
I opened it and I was like, where's day 4?
You go in order.
They are so cool.
How do I open it?
Oh wow, I have no idea who that is, but what a cool character. Oh,
I ripped it.
that's
I
alright.
ripped it. I ripped it.
You whipped it.
I cannot open it. Where's that? Ah!
Ta-da!
It's a baby.
That looks very pretty.
Oh, pretty baby.
Hold on, let's see. Hold that still. Oh, we're still in that. Here we go, another lovely charm. that's called.
Should I walk through it?
You can walk through the slush. You never couched a puddle of mush before? Or a puddle of slush?
Jump back in and I can take this stick that I threw a while ago and throw it again. That was weird though. I'm getting up here.
Don't get it in the house, please. Don't get it in the house.
I'll try not to. Okay. Walk in the front. You don't like very soft and like crunchy. Right, walk on the rocks. There's probably a rock place.
Odie has very helpfully washed some dishes, and so is Gemma today. I am so lucky.
Yes, you don't have to do any more, but you probably will. I don't.
There's still more dishes to wash. But hey, that's 2 lots of dishes I didn't have to wash today. Thank you very much. And Bodhi's going to go out and see if her friends are around to have a quick play with. Because it's getting dark fast. We were just saying, so only 2 weeks until mid-winter, and it starts getting lighter again. Wouldn't that be nice? I think you should put on socks, definitely.
What is that walking?
I don't know, it's magical walking. Dad should be back about 5 o'clock. Maybe get some Advent done then. Welcome to the kitchen. This is where you find me right now, making some dinner. Bruce isn't home yet. The kids are playing. It's all very quiet. But yeah, we're getting there. Chores are done. I spent some time editing the dance today in Premiere, so that took extra time. But you'll see why, because it's an extra special wee dance, which is why I moved over to Premiere to do that today. So check that one out. Yeah, so we're going to have some dinner. Then I think we're babysitting this evening, so you might not see us for a wee while yet, and then you might join us again for Vlogmas Advent. I'm looking forward to that. Dinner is served.
Voila.
Oh, the snow is pretty much gone from outside. It's late in the evening. I'm doing a blood sugar check on Gemma. Gemma's hanging out in her room.
My mum is currently bent over me with the camera.
I am. That's very high. Have you got any insulin on board?
There is 0.35 on there.
Could you do a full correction on that, please? I'm glad I came up and checked. Thank you very much, Gemma. Some hot wires going on in here.
No, we don't have lots of bees.
Again. We'll keep going until we find something. Keep going.
Times describes your show as unique. You found the radio.
I don't know.
time!
Tea time!
Woo.
Tea time, but not like tea time as in dinner time, but like tea time.
Wee,
That's right, time for tea.
wee, woo,
I wasn't here for this yesterday.
woo, wee, woo, wee,
Oh,
woo, wee, woo, wee, woo, wee, woo, wee. The tea isn't even boiling yet,
No,
so
indeed,
on
so-
that note,
Give me
it's advent time. Let's see what our tea time is today. Each day we're
It's
getting
4.
a new tea. It's number
it's
4.
4.
And it's another pretty tea bag. Oh, they're so pretty. Bodhi is not into that smell.
That's what it indicates.
Look at this. It's so cute. I really do enjoy these bags every day.
Maybe
I'm going to do something with these bags. You watch. All right, let's make some tea.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, you knocked over my tea.
Oh, we don't want to do that.
I'm
Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's see what we get today then. Oh, cheers.
Oh,
Cheers.
You said cheers and then
There we go, done.
Everybody
We're
at
done.
home.
No, give me a more. Okay, wait.
That's an interesting
It's
song.
berries.
Mm-hmm. It's like summer berries.
Mm. Oh, it smells too nice to drink.
It's like summer berries
It's
when
not-
it smells, but then tastes different.
I don't know if it's just me being dehydrated, but also it's kind of tastes pineapple-y.
I see, pineapple.
I've tried to get
Let me
pineapple.
look at the box.
No, we don't want.
You're not a fan of that one, buddy?
No, we're,
Oh,
I mean,
we're
we're
waiting.
guessing.
We're waiting. We're
Guessing.
Oh.
What do you think?
Berry.
Berry?
Berry.
What were you guessing, Mum?
Gun.
Gun.
No.
Gun too.
I'm not sure, to be honest.
Pew 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 pew.
I think there's some raspberry in there.
There's
Yeah.
definitely
Yeah,
something in the
Like
berry
that tart
family.
berry,
There's
sort of
definitely
blackberry,
raspberry.
raspberry,
It might
brambles.
be. It might be a name of a berry that I don't
This
know.
is day 4.
Yes.
I hope so.
Mhm.
Yes,
so
Sam.
licorice is in here.
Again.
Yeah, like well, they like putting licorice.
Yes,
in.
I can taste
Ow!
licorice.
I'm not talking to
the
you.
candy cane.
Would you rather
Right.
get mum?
There also seems to be
Not so.
hibiscus,
Biscuits.
nettle,
Nettle.
That's why.
lemon
Nettle's good for you.
flavoring.
Mm?
Lemon flavoring, just flavoring.
Yeah,
Lemon.
go lemon. It's just flavouring. They didn't
But-
actually put any real lemon.
Licorice. This is what
Pew,
we're tasting.
pew.
Tasting a lot of licorice.
I
There we go.
I like it. It's nice.
Oh wait, that's why I don't like much of the tea. It has so much licorice in it.
It really doesn't.
No, I don't
It has
like. I
so
don't
little I
like a
can't
lot
taste
of
it unless it's-
licorice. There's a hint of it. It's definitely in there, but it's a
Yeah.
hint.
I don't think I can continue drinking this. I usually don't not drink the tea, but I don't really like this one.
So
Oh, fair enough. Well, I'm enjoying it.
I'm just eyeballing
Well,
there you go.
popcorn.
Gemma, it's your turn.
Oh,
No, Gemma.
long
So
I
you-
can do this on my own. I'm a
It's your
big child.
turn now.
I'm 12.
It's your turn now, so open.
Oh, I can't do this on my own.
Oh, find number 4.
Wait, can I look at it?
No.
Hidden
I'm not
from
trying
you.
to find
Have we
it,
got a
Gemma.
little bowl?
Got it.
Have we got a little bowl?
Oh, I don't have a little bowl today. Do we need a little bowl?
Yes.
Yes.
Look bowl.
Otherwise, it's fancy.
Wait, John, can I look?
Ooh, pumpkin spice. I've never had a pumpkin spice. anything.
Pumpkin spice? Neither have I.
The 24 is tiny.
I know it's a big thing in the States, pumpkin spice flavour things.
spice.
But yeah, I
Pumpkin
don't think I've ever had a
spice,
pumpkin
pumpkin
spice
spice.
thing.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin
That's
spice.
a latte.
Pumpkin spice, pumpkin spice, pumpkin spice, popcorn. Pumpkin spice, pumpkin spice,
No.
pumpkin spice, popcorn.
Every time I go in the kitchen, you guys break out a new song. Or
We're gonna.
Popcorn dude, popcorn dude, popcorn dude, popcorn
Okay,
dude,
Jill.
popcorn dude, pop.
Who's eating the wrapper?
Don't
you,
worry.
you put it in there.
Okay, no, you have to give it to all of us.
What?
Take a piece for yourself. Pass it along, buddy.
Woody, you seem to see
Thank
kind of
you.
pass it along.
Mm.
There you go.
Ooh, I can smell the
Okay.
spice.
Yeah. Right, I'm gonna put your eyes, ready?
Oh, it smells like a gingerbread man.
It does.
That's tasty.
It tastes sad.
It tastes sad. Like it had a hard Halloween.
Yeah.
It was a tough year.
Tough year.
Tough year for pumpkins.
And
Thank you, buddy.
the spice. You know, pumpkin spice doesn't actually have pumpkin in it, right?
Is that we get?
I think I quite like that.
Prefer yesterday's toffee apple cinnamon.
Oh, that was
Yeah.
really nice, but that's still nice. It does remind me a bit of a gingerbread cookie,
Mhm.
but with a slightly more mellow.
Sorry, I thought I heard more thunder.
Oh, yeah, we're getting thunderstorms over here just now.
Thunder or something.
As
Right.
you know, because I'm sure the thunder's in this vlog today.
What's in the red bag?
I've had more this evening.
What's in the bag? What is
Oh,
in
the bag is here.
The bag is there.
I'm
bag.
thinking, what's in the
What
bag?
is in today's
Put it on my
bag?
lap.
What's in the bag?
What is today's riddle?
Widow.
Okay, so what did...
I'm
Oh,
gonna read
you want
it.
to read it? Sorry, I got a frowny face there.
Okay. What did Santa need when he sprained his ankle?
A multitude of things, possibly visit doctors, some ice, some bed rest. We cannot deliver presents
Wait,
at
wait,
Christmas.
I know.
Oh, that wouldn't be good.
A plaster from a toy kit.
That's
I think that might be heading in the right direction. As
What
are you,
did
Bodie.
Santa need when he sprained his ankle?
a candy
A
cane.
candy cane!
Candy cane.
I think that might be what they're going for.
Wait, you said I'm heading in the
Candy
right
cane.
direction and I was moving towards
Hold
the
on.
A candy cane.
What else in
That
there?
is
The answer
indeed
was
what-
in your hands all along.
That is indeed what Santa needs. If he hurts his ankle, but hopefully he won't hurt his ankle.
What's our
Wait,
smelly
can I
today?
read it?
You can read it.
What's
Can
our
you read it?
smelling?
It's really small, right?
Fresh
What's this word? Guess now.
New word.
Wait, let me find it.
Fresh paw paw paw.
Do you want me to
Paw,
Nope.
paw.
Let Bodie figure out what this word is.
Poinsettia.
It is. Well
There we
done.
go.
Pop, pop.
Fresh poinsettia. Fleur de Noël.
Fleur de Noël.
Yeah. Where's
Beautifully
So is
read,
it done in
Bodie.
English
Well
and
done.
French? Is that the...
I said
I'm
it.
getting
It smells so
subtitles for?
Pew 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 pew.
No?
No.
Oh wait,
No?
what?
It's not?
What did Santa
I
need
reckon-
when he's what did Bodie need when he's been trying to?
Yeah, we
A candy
Okay,
cane.
yes.
It reminds me of Play-Doh. That's
What?
that reminds me of.
Let me
We've got a confession to make, though we haven't lit yesterday's candle yet.
Oh, no, yeah. Totally forgot.
So, hey, we're a day up. We're going to have 2 smells tomorrow.
Mm.
Oh, this one.
Okay,
Well, maybe we'll have
so,
a,
before you
Christmas
it through your nose.
as well.
Is it Gemma that's not hung a bubble up?
Yes.
So it's Gemma's turn.
Do you trust me with the needle?
Of course
yes,
you do.
you
It's
do.
a hang number 4
You deal
on
with
the
needles
tree.
every
Dad,
single day.
do you want to get the camera so
Wait,
we
stop
can
being
see
lumpy, jumpy, and
Gemma that's on the
bumpy.
tree?
Lumpy, dumpy, bumpy, lumpy, dumpy, bumpy.
Stop the child.
Stop it on the tree.
Stop the boating. Stop the
Bodie,
boating.
stop.
Stop the boating. Stop the
Ah! I nearly stabbed myself.
The Bodie.
How do you...
Gemma is baffled by the safety pin. Hence the word safety.
That's right.
Safety and silver will
May I
do
help?
shoot.
Yes, would you like some help?
Yes.
Here.
Well, I'm just gonna ride on my sleigh.
Don't.
So
That's
Gemma
a candy
here,
cane.
it's the same way to fasten it.
Yeah.
There's a wee
Now,
in
why did he say
and out.
don't?
You know, I know. I just couldn't get it because I was, first of all, on unstable ground.
Mom, like,
Are you making it even, or are you just going random?
Right here.
Right there.
Right
I
here.
have a feeling that's gonna fall down soon.
What?
Hey! And no, that's all the
I was gonna
way.
fall down soon, says Bodie, who proceeded to fall down.
Well, maybe I was talking about myself.
How do I fasten?
Mama, you
How
ready?
do I do
You ready?
it? Mom, help. I've been defeated by
Alright,
I've been defeated by a safety pin, Mom.
Alright, so like I just showed you, we just
I'm
slot it
scared of it.
back in the way it came out.
Oh.
Here we go.
That was easy.
It was easy. Oh, sorry.
No problem. I was pointing to number 4 somewhere.
We have 4.
Yeah, my hand. Mine.
Okay. So, it's actually quite late. It's time for bed, but we had to do some advent. Thank you so much for joining us today for all our fun and merriment.
I made a snowman.
Do you want to
With a head.
I wonder if
Come on, let's
I
go
wonder-
and play.
I wonder if there'll be any snow around tomorrow. Who knows? But yes, we've had thunder and lightning storms again tonight, but I don't think I've seen any snow. And most of the snow is melted.
Alright.
So we'll be
Big long
back tomorrow
feet.
for Saturday. We're hoping to get the Christmas tree up this weekend, but there's a lot of organising to do before we get that done. So tomorrow, you listening?
Yes.
We need to do a lot of organising in your brand new bedroom because we haven't done that since we made it over. We've got lots of toys to move around before we can get our
This
tree
looks
up.
like the TV
So wish
we
us luck.
had.
And yes, we'll turn the camera on. Yes.
This looks like the tree we had. But this is a black one.
Okay.
Well, there we go.
So you just showed off a very
FYI.
We'll see you tomorrow, shall we?
Lots of love.
Until then. Bye-bye.
Bye.
There we go.
And now both.
I'm a pirate. What a dance, everybody.
Thank you very much. Well done, everybody.
I'm still recording.